How to create Viber sticker pack. Firstly, as you open up that selection, the main point right here, it is to get to the right session. Getting to the right session, it is by open up a chat selection with someone, for example this person. And now, for example, if you want to create a Viber sticker pack, the main point it is to go on that first site selection which you have got all these 5. Just go on the first one. And as you can see right down on that selection, you have that plus icon. Just go for it and go on that right option, which is sticker maker, the first selection. As you get on that selection, it will take up to the main point, which is right here. And right now, if you want to simply create that sticker pack, you're going to go right here. And as you get there, you can create that sticker pack without any problem. Go on the plus icon, take a photo from your gallery. If you want, you can take it from other places, but I'm going to go with from my gallery. And for example, I will go with this one. And simply as you're ready, simply go save right down on that button. Then you got the sticker pack name. I will go with this one. You can add description and then go create pack, go create again. And right now, as you can see, the sticker pack it is ready, and you can simply go and add it if you want on your site selection. Now you get it and you have just added on your site.